Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve the problem if the zeros of polynomial f of x is equals to a square x cube plus 3b x square plus 3cx plus d are in AP, then prove that 2b cube minus 3abc plus a square d is equals to 0. Those who are interested for online tuitions, please contact me to this number 9866581428. I'll give this number even in the description also. Now, first, given f of x is equals to ax cube plus 3bx square plus 3cx plus d, when you compare this one with the general form, a is equals to a, b is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a is a, b is total 3b, c is total 3c, d is d. Now let the zeros of this polynomial be alpha, beta, gamma. Now as in the previous problems, given zeros are in AP, so therefore let a minus d, a plus d be the zeros of a polynomial p of x or f of x. Now let alpha is equals to a minus d, beta is equals to a, and gamma is equals to a plus d. So here sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Minus b is what? 3b by a. Alpha, beta, gamma, a minus d plus a plus d is equals to minus 3b by a. D and d will get cancelled. 3a is equals to minus 3 by ba. So 3 and 3 cancel. So here a is a square. So here get this a square. So a square is equals to a square into a is equals to minus b. A cube is equals to minus b. Okay. Now we have to take sum of product of zeros, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equals to c by a. Alpha beta, alpha is what here? A minus d into a plus a into a plus d plus a plus d into a minus d is equals to c is 3c by a is a square. So here a minus d into a square minus ad plus a into a square plus a into d ad, a square minus d square is equals to 3c by a square minus ad plus ad cancel. So a square plus a square plus a square, 3a square minus d square is equals to 3c by a square. Now change the terms, that is get this d square here and get 3c here. 3a square minus 3c by a square is equals to d square. So here three things we need to keep. A cube is equals to minus b and d square is equals to 3a square minus 3c by a square. Now we have to find the product of zeros. So alpha, beta, gamma is equals to minus d by a. Minus d will be as it is. A is here. a square. So alpha, beta, gamma, a minus d into a plus d is equals to minus d by a square. So a minus d into a plus d, we keep it a minus d into a plus d into a is equals to minus d by a square. So it is a square minus d square into, get this a square here, into a square is equals to minus d. This d is different from this d because this is common difference and this d is the constant term in the given polynomial. So a square minus d square, a square we write it as a square only minus d square. D square is what here? 3a square minus 3c by a square, a into a square, a cube is equals to minus d. So here now here this is total in one bracket. Now here a cube is what? Already we have taken a cube as minus b. So here a square. Now in this LCM for 1 and a square will be a square minus LCM will be a square. So here it is 3a square into a square minus 3c into a cube is minus b is equals to minus d. Now once again take LCM for 1 and a square. So LCM will be a square into a square minus 3a square into a square, 3a power 4 minus into minus plus 3c into minus b is equals to minus d. Here itself we can cancel minus and minus. So here get this a square to the other side. This will be a power 4 minus 3a power 4 plus 3c into b is equals to a square d. Now a power 4 minus 3a power 4, 2a power 4 plus 3c into b is equals to a square d. But here minus 2a power 4, can I write it as a power 4 is equals to a cube into a. So here what do I get or else? So a power 4 a cube into a into, get this b here, plus 3bc is equals to a square d. Now this a cube is what here? Minus b. So minus 2 into minus b into ab plus 3bc is equals to a square d. So here from this a cube minus b, we have taken a cube minus b. Now just simplify this. It is 2ab square plus 3bc is equals to a square d. So now here what do we get? A cube is equals to b. A cube is equals to minus b, but here we want a. So what we have to do? We are nowhere concerned with a square d. Keep the term as it is. So here what do we get? We get a into a square is equals to minus b. A is equals to minus b by a square. So here 2 into minus b by a square into b square plus 3bc is equals to a square d. So here So here minus 2b cube by a square plus 3bc by 1 is equals to a square d. Here it should be 3a square. So here now LCM will be a square minus 2b cube plus 3a square bc is equals to a square d. So here is the printing mistake. It should be a power 4. So here cross multiply. So minus 2b cube plus 3a square bc is equals to a power 4d. Take minus common. It is 2b cube minus 3a square bc is equals to a power 4d. So 2b cube minus 3a square bc minus here it is equals to minus a power 4d. So get this minus a power 4d here. 2b cube minus 3a square bc plus a power 4 d is equals to 0. Hence proved. So those who have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section, and those who want online tuitions, please call to me this number 9866581428. Now, in this problem, if the zeros of p of f of x is equals to x cube minus 12x square plus 39x plus k are in AP, find the value of k. So, first here, given f of x is equals to x cube minus 12x square plus 39x plus k. Next, let zeros be alpha, beta, gamma. So given zeros are in AP, so let a minus d comma a plus d be the zeros of f of x. So here take alpha as a minus d, beta as a and gamma as a plus d. So alpha is equals to a minus d, beta is equals to a, gamma is equals to a plus d. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. So alpha is what here? A minus d plus a plus d is equals to minus b. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 12, c is equals to 39, d is equals to k. So minus b is what here? Minus 12 by a is 1. So d and d will get cancelled. So 3a is equals to 12. 3 1s are 3, 4s are a is equals to 4. Now find the product of roots. Alpha, beta, gamma is equals to minus d by a. So here alpha is what here? Alpha is a minus d into a plus d is equals to minus k by 1. Here we got a as 4. 4 minus d into 4 plus d is equals to minus k. 4 minus d into 4 plus d into 4 is equals to minus k. So a square minus b square 4 square minus d square into 4 is equals to minus k 16 minus d square into 4 is equals to minus k. Now here let us write separately a is equals to 4 and 16 minus d square into 4 is equals to minus k. So therefore now we have the one more relationship, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equals to c by a. So alpha beta is what? A minus d into a plus a into a plus d plus a minus d into a plus d is equals to c is 39 by 1. So here it is a square minus ad plus a square plus ad a square minus d square. So here ad and ad will get cancelled. So a square plus a square plus a square 3a square minus d square is equals to 39. Now what we got? A as 4 we got. So 3 into 4 square minus d square is equals to 13. 4 square is 16. 3 into 16, get this d square here and get this 39 here, minus 39 is equals to d square. 16 3s are 48 minus 39 is equals to d square. So d square is equals to 9. So d is equals to square root of 9, that is plus or minus 3. That means now we have to take this equation. In that you have to substitute two values of d. One is plus 3 and the other one is minus 3. So d is equals to 3 and minus 3. So first case 1 minus k is equals to 16 into minus d square into 4. So k is equal, if you take d is equals to 3 minus k is equals to 16 minus 3 square into 4. 16 minus 9 into 4. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 4s are 28. So k is equals to minus 28. Next, case 2. What is case 2 here? It is once again minus k is equal to 16 minus of, here d we have to take it as minus 3 whole square into 4. So minus k is equal to 16 minus 3 whole square is 9 into 4 minus k. 16 minus 9 is 7 minus k. 7 4 is 74. 7 into 4 is 28. So k is equals to minus 28. So for whether it is d is equal to 3 or d is equals to minus 3, in both the cases k is equals to minus 28. Thank you. Those who want for online tuitions, please contact me to this number 9866581428, and please share my videos, like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.